Hi, my name is Rosadia Newman. I chose to do my presentation as well as my element paper on magnesium. There are two particular reasons why I chose magnesium as my element. The first reason is I am a registered nurse, currently in the endoscopy clinic and cardiac cath lab. Prior to cardiac cath lab, I was an ICU, IBCU, or interventional cardiac nurse. In that unit is where I saw torsades de pointe. It's a cardiac rhythm change where the QRS interval usually look like this, comes to a point at the top. However, when you have torsades de pointe, there's a curve, so it looks kind of like that. And the only way to cure that is by IV magnesium rapidly. It is a code situation, so I was lucky enough to actually see that, participate, and now I wanted some more information. On another note, the second reason I chose to do this topic is when I was pregnant, I would have horrible hormone headaches. However, this second theory has not been proven. These hormone headaches were relieved with magnesium tabs prescribed by my doctor, but again, that has not been proven, nor has magnesium been proven to help with migraines. Okay, back to the actual element and information regarding this element. The name magnesium originates from the Greek word for district in the Thessaly called Magnesia. It is the 9th most abundant element in the universe and the 4th most abundant element on Earth. Magnesium is the 12th element on the periodic table. It is an alkaline earth metal. It was discovered in 1755 by Joseph Black. However, it was first isolated in 1805 by Sir Humphrey Davy. The element is a shiny gray solid that is lightweight, that has about 2/3 the density of aluminum. Magnesium is also said to have the lowest melting and boiling points of all the other alkaline earth metals. Magnesium has 3 stable isotopes, 24, 25, and 26, with magnesium 24 being the most abundant at 79%. Isotope 28 is radioactive, and during the 1950s through the 1970s, it was used in several nuclear power plants for scientific experimental use. Because magnesium is relatively non-toxic, it's non-magnetic, has high impact strength, and it resists denting, it also has many uses. Although flammable, it has been used in engine, cars, or body shapes for parts of cars and planes, golf clubs, fishing rods, bow and arrows, or in archery sets. It's also been used in flash photography, as well as flares, pyrotechnics, and fireworks. In the medical field, magnesium IV is given for cardiac rhythms or cardiac heart conditions. Magnesium sulfate IV is given for eclampsia and preeclampsia in pregnancy. The human body has anywhere from 22 to 26 grams of magnesium. It's also said that alcoholism is often associated with magnesium deficiency. Magnesium does form binary compounds, such as magnesium bromide, to more complex compounds, such as magnesium carbohydrate, hydroxide, tetrahydrate. Magnesium oxide are used as refractory material in furnace linings for iron and steel, non-ferrous metals, cement, and glass. Magnesium salts are used in various foods and fertilizers and microbe culture media. Magnesium sulfite is used in the manufacture of paper, or the sulfite processes. Magnesium hydroxide is an antacid. It is actually what we use at our clinic, in the endoscopy clinic. It maintains magnesium balance in the body by relieving heartburn symptoms. Magnesium sulfate, or Epsom salt, is used as a laxative and is also used in bath waters. Magnesite is an ore for magnesium production, and the source of a range of industrial materials. When pure, magnesite contains 47.8% of magnesium oxide and 52.2% of carbon dioxide. Magnesium chloride is recoverable from naturally occurring brines such as the Great Salt Lakes and the Dead Sea, but oceans are probably the largest source of the ore. The cost of magnesium does vary. Magnesite ore, 45 to 46%. It usually goes for about $80 to $180 per metric ton. Light magnesium oxide goes for $200 to $500 per metric ton. And magnesium ingot price for 1 ton runs roughly $2,500 to $2,800. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation.